Okay, good morning students. Today we will start with Boolean laws, okay, which you have studied in your basic electronics. These concepts are important for our further chapters. So I am recalling once. So Boolean laws, okay. So we are going to group in two set or operation related Boolean laws as well as and operation related Boolean laws or the rules. Okay. So the first one is a plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, these all rules you have to remember for our further chapters. Okay. So a plus 0 is a. A plus 1, a plus a is a. A plus a complement is always 1. A plus b is same as b plus a. A bracket of b plus c is equal to ab plus ac. A plus ab is a. Okay. So followed by a plus b whole complement. This I have used in another day, which is called as NAND gate explanation. We'll split the complement over individual variable, change the plus operation to dot. Okay. Please remember this rule we are going to use most of the time in many simplifications. Similarly, the set of AND operation oriented Boolean rules. A dot 1 is A dot 0 is 0, A dot A is A and A complement. That dot I should read it, we should read it as AND operation 0. A and with B is same as B and with A, and A plus B and C. For your reference, you can put these things in the bracket. Is same as A plus B upon dot A plus C. Okay. So the next one is A bracket. Here you have to assume that there is a AND operation, that means dot operation. Bracket of A plus B is same as A. The last one is A dot B whole complement. Here there is one dot operation. Whole complement is same as, means that is equal to A complement plus B complement. Okay. So these are standard set of Boolean equations. Okay. So few I will try to explain. Okay. So let me explain first one why it is always 1. Okay. So now we have to analyze or discuss about variable A. So, if we write any digital function, generally we will write controlling variables as A, B, so on. Okay, A, B, so on. If we study this function, okay, with respect to variables or a single variable, we have to understand first two things. Okay. So any variable which is controlling a function will have two forms, two different forms. First is 0 form, another one is 1 form. Okay. So the variable A which is in 0 form, we write it as A complement. Okay. The same variable when it occurs in 1 form, we write it as A. So 0 occurrence is also called as low, 1 occurrence is called as high. Is it clear? Okay. So now, if a digital function is controlled by, let me take two variables, small letter a and small letter b. So please find out how many number of variables in the given function. Okay. So there are two variables. Those are a and b. Okay. So now if a function is controlled by single variable, then it has a two forms. If a function has two variables, then it will have 2 raised to number of variables. On the other video we have discussed 2 raised to number of variables. How many number of variables here? 2. That means 2 raised to 2. That means 4. There will be 4 different combinations of AB occurrence together. The word together is important. We cannot take separate A only and B only. They both are occurring together. Okay, now how to write the different occurrences of AB in 4 different formats. Okay, first is 0 0. Okay, second is okay, I will write it a little closer. First is 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Okay, this is what we have 4 formats of AB occurrences together. Okay, so fine. Now in all these in a few of the rules we have single variable, and in few of the rules we have 2 variables. In few of the rules we have 3 variables. We have to decide based on how many different variables are there. See, even though there are 4 variables, 4 symbols, we have to consider them as 3 because A is occurring twice. Okay. Okay, if there is a one variable, we have to decide based on 2 occurrences. Let me take one rule number 1, that is A plus 1 is 1. Okay, so see here, what is the operation? The operation name is OR. Please refer the OR logic truth table which we have studied in our first session or in your basic electronics. Now, what are the 2 different formats of A occurrences? A can occur in 0 format as well as 1 format. Okay, if I substitute first time A as 0 plus 1, refer a row in the OR logic truth table. So let me recall A, B, Y is equal to A plus B, 0, 0, 1. So this was the reference truth table of OR logic. Now, what is 0 plus 1? That is also 1. Okay. So what is second occurrence of A? 1. So this content remains as it is. So 1 plus 1 from this row we can fetch it as 1. That means either A can be 0, or A can be 1. In both the cases, if you do plus 1, definite result is 1. Okay, definite result is 1. Hence we write A plus 1 as 1. Okay, but same is not true for dot. Okay, same is not true for dot. Okay, let us prove it. Whether actually A dot 1 is A, but I am assuming A dot 1 as 1 and checking whether it is correct or not. If I okay, here I will change this to dot table, that means AND table, so that case it will be 0, 9, 0 and 1. Okay, so now substitute possibilities of A. How many variables? 1, that is a A. So possibilities 2 raised to number of variables, that means 2. What are the 2 possibilities? 0 and 1. Okay, so a variable, 2 possibilities, 0 possibility is written as complement, its 1 possibility is written as it is. Okay, hence first occurrence 0, second occurrence 1. What is common thing? And it is 1. Okay, so now refer table 1 dot 1. What is that? Okay, so in this table it is correct, but it should be correct for another place of A also. What is another place of let us check what actually it is. See now, a dot 1 is not 1, but what it is? See now, I have written a value in both possibilities and fixed thing is not 1. How output is changing? Output is same as 0 when a is 0. Output is same 1 when a is 1. That means output is same as first column. Okay, what is first column here? Output is same as first column. What is output? A. Hence, we have derived a formula. A dot 1 is not 1. A dot 1 is A. Okay, so fine. Let's take one more for the reference. Here I will write and as well as or table and table outputs. So here I will write the combinations. So for your fast reference, I have done this. Okay, let's take a dot a complement, a plus a complement. So let us prove a plus a complement. Also check what is a dot a complement always. Okay, so see, for this I have taken reference of one more column called as a complement. Okay, so this column is a complement. I should not refer b complement. Please remember, I have to refer only a column. What is first row value in this row of a? Here, in this row of a, value is 0, hence a complement is 1. In the second row, value is 0 for a complement is 1. In the third row, a is 1, hence a complement is 0. In the fourth row, a is 1, hence a complement will be 0. Okay, so now let's assume, actually I have to think about maximum possibilities. So let me assume case number 1, a as 0. Let me assume case number 1, a as 0. Substituting this formula, a plus, okay, a plus, if a is 0, what is a complement? If a is 0, a complement is 1. Okay, so what is the different thing from this 0 plus 1? Plus means this column. What is 0 plus 1 answer? 1. Is it clear? Okay, now go for case 2. Case 2. Okay, so here assume a as 1. If you assume a as 1, what is a? Sorry, first substitute a 1 plus substitute a bar means a complement. So what do you have got equation 1 plus 0. So go to find out. Okay, now why I am taking this here is in place of b. See here, in place of b we have one common thing called as a complement. So here, even though this column is b, I assume it as complement of a, but not the values. Please remember, not the values, just column for the simplification purpose. What is 1 plus 0 always? 1. Okay, so now no matter a is 0 or a is 1, what is the definite result of a? Sorry, what is the definite result of a plus a complement? It is 1. Hence we write a plus a complement as 1. Let's derive what is going to happen for and a dot a complement. Okay, case number 1, continue. Case number 1, a is 0, so substitute here 0. What is it? After that, dot. What is complement of a? If a is 0, this is the equation you have. What is 0 dot 1? That is going to be 0. Case 2. What is case 2? A is 1. So substitute a1 after that dot. After dot, what is this should be? Complement. A is 1, a complement is 0. Hence again it will be 0. So what is the definite result of a with means a ANDed with a complement is 0. Okay. So let's go for let's try one more variable. Okay, I hope you know this associative property, so I will not take this as it is a simple one. Okay, fine. This I will take by tautology method. Tautology method. Okay, so here we have A, B, C. Okay, next A, next term B, C, next term A plus B, next term A plus C, last column A plus BC, and very last column A plus B into A plus C. Whether this will hold correct or not. Actually, you have tried in your DMS. Still, I will also consider in this problem. Okay. Now, please consider in this total equation how many different variables are there. The first variable is A, second is B, third is C. Even though A is repeated, we still consider it as one time. Okay. So there are three variables. Raise that into the power of 2, hence we have got 8. Starting from the value of 0, go on counting up to 7, which you know from your previous subject. Okay. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now, many of the students has different practices writing. Okay. So, one second. Okay. Okay. They will directly write like 0 1 0 1 0 1. Then they will write 0 0 1 1. Then they will write 4 times 0 4 times 1 like that. Please avoid that practice. That is not correct. Okay. So because that will hold correct only when you have these numbers in order. Okay. So that will be very difficult if you have that practice. The practice what I mean the method what I am teaching now may be difficult right now, or maybe not easy like earlier right now, but in future the method will helps me lot. Okay, especially very next concept what I am taking. Okay, so make yourself comfortable with the method what I am going to discuss now. Okay, fine. So here you write from your rightmost side of a variable table to your leftmost side. Your rightmost side is called as LSB, least significant bit. Your leftmost, as you go on and reach the last end, you will call it as MSB, most significant bit. Okay. So LSB is 2 to the power 0. Next, go on increasing. This is called as weighted variables. Each variable consisting of weight of this much. So numerical representation or equivalent representation of 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2. What is 2 raised to 0? 1. 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2 is 4. So now here I will write numerical weight in our decimal system. Okay. So what is 2 raised to 0? 1. Hence, C weight is 1. Variable C weight is 1. What is variable B weight? That is 2 raised to 1. Hence, it is 2. Okay. So, the next one is 4. 2 raised to 4. See, how to, I want to give some small practical example. If a person want to sell some products by weighing method, by weight method, should he have a weighing tunes or the kilo stones, okay, kilo or multiple kg stones? Should we have 3 kg stone with us? No. Generally, we should to prepare 3 kilo equivalent, we should add a combination of 2 and 1. How to get 5? 4 and 1. How to get 6? We should not prepare 6 kg equivalent stone. We should have a combination of 4 and 2. Okay, so in our vegetable market also like this we will get. Even we have smaller like half kg, 250 grams. But in this era, I mean in this digital, we consider onwards, one onwards, not a half, one fourth and all. Okay, so though that part is there, but in our subject we are considering only above sections. Okay, so now let me start from the first row. Okay, I will skip this. Here mention, please concentrate. If I write something here, something like I can write two symbols. One is 0 and one is 1. 0 means I have not picked that stone. 1 means I have picked that stone. That's what assumption. So this left side is what you have to prepare. What you have to prepare. This is combination. This is combination. So you have three stones. One is 4, one is 2, and one is 1. So what do you want? We want 1. Means 1 kg. Do we have directly 1 kg available? Yes. So hence I will pick. Means I have taken. My target has reached. So I will not take another remaining 2 standard weights like 2 and 4. So that is one row. Okay, I have skipped first row. Okay, so now what is the second requirement? Next requirement, I want to have 2 kg equivalent. So how to get the 2 kg equivalent? Do we have standard 2 kg equivalent? Yes. What is that? B. If I pick B, means if I select B, that will give us 2 kg or 2 weight. So since I have directly, I will not choose A and C. Since I have not chose A and C, I have kept them as 0. What is the next requirement? The next requirement is 3. Do we have standard 3 here? We have 1, we have 2, we have 4. We don't have 3 as a standard. So can we take 2 and make a 3? I mean 2 things and make a 3? Yes. What are those? One is 2 and one is 3. Always remember why we should select highest first and smallest next is because what we should prepare, we should get what we want in minimum number of picks. For that reason, always pick highest possible first. Whenever you want a 3, we should not select 4. Okay, because it becomes more than what we expect or what we need. So we need 3, hence I am taking 2 first. So what else I need? Else, if we want 3, okay, we want 3, we have selected 2. So we left with 1. So that one I will take now. So what we are not taking is 4. Okay, so that is the next combination. So what we need in the next stage? Next stage 4. Is 4 directly available? Yes. If directly available, we will directly take that only. Rest all we will not take. Okay. Next, what we need? 5. So when we need 5, what is the highest pick available? 1, 2, 4. Among 1, 2, and 4, 4 is the highest. Hence, I have taken 4. Out of 5, I directly took 4. Okay. So we need 1, and that 1 is in the C. Hence, I will make it as 0. Okay. Okay. So now we have prepared 5. Then let's go for construction of 6. What we need? 6. How to prepare 6? Take the maximum first. So what we out of 6 we took up 4 from single pick. So we need 2 more. So what is the value of 2? Name of 2? B. Hence I directly took B. Okay. So 1. So out of 6, one time I picked 4, one time I picked 2. So we don't need extra. So we will not select C. Okay. Fine. What else we need? 7. Take the maximum 4. So here I got 4. So we need with 3 more. 3 is not available directly. Hence we have to go for 2 next. So we have selected 2. We left with 1. So that one also I will pick now. So all units A, B and C all we have chosen. Okay, now I will fill this. I don't want anything. I don't want 4. I don't want 5. I don't want anything. So don't choose A. Don't choose B. Do not choose C. This is how to. Okay. Fine. Now actually what is problem? A plus bracket of BC should be equal to bracket A plus B dot bracket A plus C. This is I want to prove. This column should be equal to this one. Okay, row wise. So for that, let's go for individual column construction. What is this term? BC means forget about A, go on writing and the effect of B with C. B with C, B with C, 1 with 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. That is B with C. What do we want? A plus B. So first column and second column. And it is plus. That means this one. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1 plus 0 twice, 1 plus 1 again 1 plus 1. That will be 1. Okay. So now next column what we need? A plus C. What is A plus C? First column and third column. A column and C column. A plus C. 0 0 0 1 again 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 plus 1 1 plus 0 1 plus 1. Okay. So now what we have to add? Please remember BC. Do we have this term? Yes. We have now what is sorry, don't consider this as a complement. These two should be equivalent. Like that we have to prove now. Okay, BC plus AB. So BC column BC plus A. We have to add now A column with BC column. A column with BC column. So what is A first? 0, BC 0. Next A 0. BC is also 0. Plus it is 0 plus 0. Okay. So next A plus BC. Okay, see here 0 plus BC. That is 0 plus 1, 1. First time. Okay, 0 plus 1. 1 plus 0. Again 1 plus 0. Again 1 plus 0. Next 1 plus 1. Is it clear now? Okay, now what is the next term? Between A plus B and one more column A plus C. See here, one column is A plus B and another column is A plus C. Here we have to get AND because there is a dot. Okay. So now 0 dot 0, 0 dot 1, 1 dot 0, 1 dot 1, 1 dot 1, 1 dot 1 is 1, again 1 dot 1 and 1 dot 1. Now you check individual rows of last two columns. A plus BC one side, another side bracket A plus B into bracket A plus C. Row wise, individual row. 0 0 same. Hence it is proven that A plus bracket of BC is same as bracket of A plus B into A plus C. Okay. So fine. De Morgan's theorem. This you have already known and standard